What's up, guys? This is David with Great Choice Audio Video. Hey, today we have a cool theater room that we want to show you guys. This is day one. It's a 2-day project, so we're gonna get most of everything installed today, but I want to go over what we're doing and show you guys all the cool, awesome stuff. So for this particular theater, we're gonna start off with the Sony 4K 295 ES projector. Phenomenal projector, guys. And then as you go underneath this, to run this theater, we're using the new Denon S960H 7-channel, 90 watts a channel, guys. And then for bass, we want a lot of bass in this room because we love movies, so we're using the new Sony Impact 12-inch subs, the i12s. And for the left and right speaker, we're using KEF, all KEF in this theater, guys. So we're the 650Cs. And then because of the cabinet design, we're going to go with the 250C for the center channel. We got watt box for surge protection. And then, of course, staying with KEF for the rears and Atmos speakers, the CI160ERs. And then to control this theater, we're using the MX990 with an RF base station. So the screen is the 120-inch that's going up on day 2. It'll be a 120-inch with the RGB Philips Hue light kit, which is super awesome. So to add to that, we're going to do something cool underneath the floating cabinet with some of the Philips Hue RGB strip lighting, so we can tie the underneath lighting to the lighting around the screen. It's just kind of something cool to show with movies and whatnot. And obviously we got the strong projector mount that makes it nice and easy. And what else we got going? I think that's it. So can't wait to show you guys everything as we get going, and stay tuned.